फोटो लो आयो सबै मिले
Stage of fire. National formal spokesperson. Indian Goga.
Meghalaya Mukhyamantri Conrad Sangma Lam Sogo. Meghalaya Chief Minister
is much far from us. As a region, why we need to get united?
It's very simple that when we are individual and we are not united in one way, obviously our voices are suppressed and sometimes not heard, and we are obviously weaker when we are on our own. This has nothing to do with anybody else or trying to go against anybody. This is purely about bringing all of us together. So we are really looking at bringing our voice, our concerns, our strengths together, standing together for each other's concerns, issues, being there for each other when we need it, making sure that nobody feels that they are alone. And I think just by providing that platform, we'll be able to really make that difference that we've been wanting to for a very long time. And I'm very happy to see the kind of response that we're seeing today, where leaders from different states and communities are coming together. And I'm very sure that this will have a very, very positive impact, not just in the Northeast, but in the entire country. And it will also send a very strong and a powerful message to the Northeast and to the rest of the country also, that the indigenous people of the region are coming together and are going to work together and are going to fight together for the future generation and for the present also.
It should have happened long back, and particularly I'm asking sir, this one because there has been a lot of accords those have been signed. Has there been any real impact on them on the ground reality?
It's not possible for us to go into all the details of all of those aspects. There is always more to be desired, let me just put it that way. And there's always a concern that we could have done much more if we had been together in the past also. Efforts have been made. It's not that it's not been done before, it has been done before. But challenges have been many. Even now we know that there will be challenges, but we are very committed, we are very focused, and we are very sure that, as I said, we'll be able to take this forward and take it to the right direction.
Response. There were many challenges. Till last night we were not given the field. Our earlier program had to be cancelled for unforeseen circumstances because of lack of permission. So even today the trains were cancelled in the early part, so many people who wanted to come were not allowed to come. Yet if you see this entire ground and on the road, it's packed. So I'm very happy with the response, and I think this is a beginning. We have all been speaking the same thing, but in different platforms, different political parties. I think the time has come for the native and the indigenous people of the Northeast, the region of Northeast, to speak on one voice for our future, for our next generation, and also for our survival and existence. हम किसी के खिलाफ नहीं हैं, हम अपने लोगों के पक्ष में, हम किसी के खिलाफ राजनीति नहीं करते, हम अपने लोगों के इंटरेस्ट में काम करते हैं। किसी के खिलाफ काम करेंगे तो बांग्लादेश के खिलाफ काम करेंगे, पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ काम करेंगे। हम किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के खिलाफ नहीं है, अपने लोगों के पक्ष में।